In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Google Drive. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar and click Shared with Me. This section shows files that other people have shared with your account. Find a file owned by the person you want to block. Once you locate it, right-click the file to open the context menu. From the drop-down options, hover over Report or Block, then select Block, followed by the email address of the person you want to block. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Block. This will remove their ability to share files with you in the future and prevent their files from appearing in your Google Drive. If the person currently has access to a file or folder that you own, you should remove their access first. To do this, right-click the file or folder that you shared and select Share, then click Share again if the submenu appears. In the sharing window, locate the person in the list of users who have access. Next to their name, click their current access level, such as editor. From the drop-down menu, select Remove Access. This will immediately remove them from the shared file or folder. After removing their access, click Save to apply the changes. Once that is done, you can right-click the file again, hover over Report or Block, and select Block, followed by their email address. Confirm the action in the confirmation window to permanently block them. If you want to review or manage the people you have blocked, click your profile picture in the top right corner of Google Drive and select Manage your Google account. Inside your Google account settings, go to the left sidebar and click People and Sharing. In this section, click Blocked. Here you will be able to see and manage the list of accounts you have blocked. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.